Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas.
Hey YouTube. Okay, we're back with another Ninja Combi video. So in this video, we're going to be making hot wings and steamed vegetables and the Ninja Combi. And yeah, so these are my wings. Okay. I already cleaned them and cut them up, did all the good stuff. So the way I do my hot wings is I'm going to add flour and I'm going to add garlic and pepper. And then I'm going to put them in the air fryer, which is the Ninja Combi. And then I'm going to add the sauce and shake. You're going to see the whole process, but I just want to let you guys know. The first step is flour, garlic, and pepper. Nothing crazy. So let's do this. And I don't do measurements when I cook. I literally just eyeball everything. It's just a household thing. It's literally how I learned how to cook. You eyeball it. All right, there we go. Shake, 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 shake it. All my Disney Channel kids, y'all remember that? Because I remember that. Do you remember that? Okay. You want it to look like this. Perfect. Beautiful. It looks beautiful. I'm just the type of person, I like to spray nonstick. Even though this is a nonstick type of pan, I still like to be extra safe. So, yeah. Just gonna do it like this. And this is like my lazy meal when I don't feel like cooking, because guess what? I don't feel like cooking. Some people put the wings in different ways. I just, whatever my mood is. And right now my mood is, I want to eat my chicken. So we're going to put on whatever what I want. Okay. That's how I'm going to lay it out. And now we're going to put it in the Combi. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually separate the vegetables from the Combi, because when it comes to like making hot wings, it's a constant. You're going to see I have to keep re-adding sauce and stuff onto it, and I don't want it to affect when the vegetables is cooking. So I'm actually going to put the vegetables in my rice cooker because it's also a steamer. And we're just going to do that at 2 times. I mean, listen, you can do it. I'm not saying that you can't. I'm just saying because I know how I have to cook these wings. I don't want to do that. So, yeah. So, we're going to, matter of fact, so we're going to, because I actually bake them first and then I air fry them. So, bake it. And it's going to preheat. So, it is currently 8:19. Let's see how long it's going to take for the Ninja Combi to preheat. Okay, so it is currently 8:22 and it just beeped to say put the food in, and when it blinks food, that means that, well, when it blinks add food, that means that it's time to add the food. So, one thing I don't like about the Ninja Combi, wrong way, is that the window, like, the window is just, it's annoying sometimes. It's very annoying. As a matter of fact, let me take this out because I have the other pan. Because I honestly was going to do the vegetables and the hot wings at the same time in the Combi. But it makes no sense. Alright, so we're going to bake these for, actually, I want 20 minutes because I like my wings well done. So we're going to bake these for 20 minutes. Just like that. I'm not going to touch it. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to do the whole process. Okay, so it has been baking for 20 minutes. Let's see how it's looking, guys. It's a lot of steam. One thing about the Combi, it's gonna give you that steam. And it's revy hot. Like, okay, this is what the wings is looking like. It's revy hot. Like, so hot. Honestly, I shouldn't even have it on my counter, to be honest with you. But yeah. So what I'm going to do, take the wings out. I'm going to clear up the juice that came from the chicken. Then we're going to shake it. My favorite part. Alright, this is my favorite part, where we shake it. So we're going to be using this buffalo sauce for the wings. So you just want to add a good coat, not OD, because we're going to shake it. So we're going to cover it, then we're going to shake it. Okay, so boom, it's gonna look like that. But you thought we was finished? Oh no, baby, we gotta coat this correctly at that. Okay, so we're gonna put it back in the Combi and let it air fry for about, I eyeball it, but I want to say about like maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Now with this part, I'm gonna place it a certain way. So I want like my flats placed a certain way. The drums I don't really care about how it's placed, but the flat, I want to try to put most of it in the front as possible. Okay, so I'm gonna push that back in there, and then we have some sauce, extra sauce. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the brush, the handy dandy brush, but not yet, but we gonna put that right there, okay, because we're gonna need that. Now we're going to go to, because it's in bake, remember it's in bake, so you're gonna want to go to air fry. We're gonna do it for, you could put 15 minutes. We're not gonna do 20. We're gonna keep stopping and going, So yeah, 390, and we're gonna press start. Remember, air frying in the Combi doesn't need preheat. It just gets straight to business. So there's no preheat with this part. And I love the little, like, it has a light option, so like you could turn the light on or off to like check and see like how it's doing. But the window is very annoying, I'm not gonna lie. Minutes. So I'm going to give it a open. Another thing annoying about the Combi is that like the timer's on the door, so when I open up the door I can't see it no more. So keep that in mind too. But yeah, so now we're gonna get that little sauce that we had and just do a little rub. Not too crazy, just a little rub. Let that sit for like another 2 minutes, and then we're gonna flip them. That's why I said I didn't want to do the vegetables in here, because it's probably gonna affect the way it's cooking the vegetables, because all the opening and closing, like, it's really just me using it as a sole air fryer, honestly. So yeah, so boom, now put in here 2 minutes. Okay, so now it's at, well, just past 10 minutes, so we're gonna open it. Makes it 2 minutes. All right, looking real nice and crunchy there. It's so, the Ninja Combi is so hot that I can feel the heat through this. Like, that is just, this machine is very powerful. Please be very cautious. I'm not responsible for anything that you decide to do with this machine. I'm just here to show you what I do with mine, okay? All right. So now we're going to flip them. I'm going to flip them. And what we're going to do is we're going to add some extra sauce where that brush, wherever your brush is, you want the sauce to go in there. And then I like to just bring this out a little bit, but you can do it to whatever liking. Like I said, I'm not responsible. And then we're going to brush the other side. Just a little brush, not too much now. Okay. Now we're gonna do 3 minutes. All right, so it's currently at 7:05. Countdown. Yeah, you know. All right, so now we're gonna open it. Oh Lord, I pressed something by accident. Didn't mean to. Okay. So now, these look so good. Like, remember, you can always keep adding on and keep it going. I would suggest that you turn down the heat so that you don't burn the wings. But for me, this is just what I like, and this is my liking. And it looks really good. I'm so hungry. So, now what I like to do, this is optional, this part, is I like to put the wings in the bowl that has the extra sauce in it and do a little shake. And then I'm going to add them in here one last time. You don't have to do this part. It's completely up to you. I just prefer to do this because it just gives me a lot of flavor. A lot of layers of flavor on my wings. Okay, so I put the wings in here. And we're going to get the top. Okay, and we're going to shake, shake. Oh, shake, 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 shake it. Okay. Woo! I love when it does that. Oh, look at that. You can eat them just like this. It's completely up to you. There's no right or wrong on how you want your wings. Don't let nobody try to tell you right or wrong on how you want your wings. And we're going to leave that in there till we're going to eyeball it. How about that? I don't want to have a time frame on it because I want my wings a certain color. And I know the color that I'm looking for. So, yeah. Alright. So, we at 3 minutes and some change. It's looking kind of dark. I mean, some of them do and some of them don't. Which, listen, that's part of cooking, baby. Some of them you take out. Some of them you leave in. It's really up to you. But it's looking alright. I think I'm going to do it a little bit longer. Alright, now it's to my liking because honestly, any darker, I feel like it's all burn. Okay? This is a nice little golden look I was going for. So, I'm going to put it in the bowl, but just because, like, that's just my wing bowl. Not for, like, the sauce. I mean, you could do it too if you want to, but just so you guys know. I'm going to let it cool down before putting it on my plate. So, yeah. I'll cut that off. And this is the finished product, guys. My little blue cheese on the side there. But yeah, this is how it's looking. I didn't put all the wings on this plate because that's a lot of wings. Also, this was my little vegetables I made on the side. I'm going to eat the vegetables first before I eat the wings. And yeah, so cooking with the Combi. I love it. Let me know if you want more videos like this of cooking with the Combi. And yeah, my review so far of it is a 9 out of 10, and I recommend. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it this far, you are appreciated, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Let's cheerio to another video.